is this thing on? Hello, testing. Today I'm doing a get ready with me. Let's get started. ASMR. Just gonna plug this in. I don't actually have anything professional to put this on, so I'm actually just gonna use the Matthew Perry book. No, I'm not, because that is wrong. I don't even know what the time is, and I'm being picked up at 12. I always try to do my hair first because that takes me the longest. So in my bedroom I have got 2 vases of flowers, and every month or so I will change the flowers because obviously they die. That's what flowers do. And the other day I bought some new flowers. I don't know why I always buy them from H&M Home. I just feel like they last so long. I know it's not the best thing to do, but you know, I think they're really, I really like the flowers they've got in H&M Home. They're quite different, they last a really long time. So the other day went to So the other day I went to H&M Home to get some new flowers. I bought them, they're really, really nice. And then I came home and I went to change the old flowers for the new flowers. Whilst I am changing them, notice that the old flowers are like growing buds. They're thriving. I'll actually put some clips. I've got some clips and I'll put them in here. But yeah, so I saw all these buds and I saw roots, and I just thought to myself, like, how did I do that accidentally? So now I've kept them and we're actually going to plant them in the garden. I just thought they would have, you know, they just would have died. They were only in like standard water. There was no like food or anything. I took them out and I was in. Just had such a heart attack. Just giving you a little tutorial, you know. Not that you want it or have asked for it. I'll take the little bit that I've separated and I'll hold it up and I'll take, oh God, just straighten it upright. And do you know what? It's not revolutionary or anything. So I've got a few options of what to wear. I've got a few different tops, like 2 different tops that I'm thinking of wearing, but I'm not too sure just because a little bit risky. Do you know what? I ordered some trousers and I sized up twice and they were still too small. I don't know what's going on with sizing at the moment, and it just honestly makes me feel like, what is going on? Is it my body? Is it the clothes? So they're going back. At least I'm gonna get my money back. And I ordered 2 dresses for a work event yesterday. I ended up wearing one that I really liked and then I just left the other one, so that's going back. This one of, oh.
Someone is at the ring front door.
And then one of the tops is see-through, so I don't know about that. So the top that I ordered, so I ordered everything. I'm such an ASOS girl, and the top that I ordered is this here. I love this sleeve, but because it's see-through, I'm just so unsure. It's sad because I really love the material. So I was gonna wear a white bandeau under it, but I'm not too sure. This is the second top that I've borrowed from my sister, which is a similar kind of front, but not see-through. I don't know what bottoms I'm gonna wear either, because the bottoms are the ones that I sized up in twice and still didn't fit. So I'm gonna try on the tops and then we'll see which one looks better. Then I'm gonna do my makeup. So outfit number 1 is this top, which is, so this is the see-through top that I wasn't too sure about, but I've put this white bandeau under it and I feel like it actually looks all right. So I think I'm just gonna wear this. Yeah, I think that's the outfit. I think I don't even need to try on the other one because I love the sleeves. I really like this part of it as well. I think that is what I'm gonna wear. Gotta put on your deodorant. Going to brunch. Gets hot and sweaty in there, so I better put on your best deodorant. I think this is 48 hours, no, 24. I'm about to do my makeup, so like I always use this simple purifying cleansing lotion. I feel like it's moisturising. And I don't know if do you know what? I don't even know if I use this correctly. I put it on these little pads and I just wipe it over. I think that's right. Oh yeah, put on a cotton pad. I just love waking up in the morning. Do you know, so, scrap that. I learned you shouldn't clean your face in the morning. They say that your body works all night to provide healthy oils and stuff, I don't know, for your face. But the problem is I don't feel fresh unless I've cleaned my face. And don't forget your neck, by the way. I always make sure to do my neck. I can't not do that. Do you know what? I don't even know. But this is what I do. Also, my sister, she's learning to do eyelashes at the moment. Last night I laid down and she practiced doing lashes, and they're actually, do you know what, they're the second one she's done, no, the third one she has done for me, and I think they're really, you know, they're quite nice, quite good. I'm really proud of her. So this is something that I honestly have only become obsessed with when I turned 24, and now I'm turning 25 in August. It is anything with collagen in. This is really, really nice and refreshing for the skin, and I find that it does actually really help give me a bit of a glow. And I don't know, I just think it's, you know, something nice to put on your skin. It's this Elemis Pro Collagen, and it's like, basically, it's not like a cream, it's not a serum, and it's not water. It's like, it's something in between. Let me show you. I don't think you'll be able to see. I don't know if you can see, it's like not quite water, not quite a gel, but I just put it on down my neck, onto my forehead. Oh my god, it smells amazing. It is so lovely. Every morning I'll use this and this, even if I'm not doing my makeup. I like fan my face, it just makes you feel so refreshed. And then I use this No. 7 Early Defense. To be honest, I have been using for a few years now. I want to prevent wrinkles. Everyone's still deciding what they're wearing. I thought I was the last one, to be honest, because everyone I thought was quite organised with what they were wearing, but clearly I'm not the only one, so that's great. I think we're going to a few different places. So we're going to go to Trapeze, and then we're going to Tiger. I don't know whether to wear earrings today. I have these really nice Vivienne Westwood, oh, R.I.P. Vivienne Westwood studs. Do you know what I love about having eyelash extensions though? I was just looking in the mirror and I just thought to myself, I don't have to worry about putting mascara on and taking that off. I tend to use some Laura Mercier powder. My makeup hasn't changed in years. So I'll put some there and I'll take some and brush it under my eye. I don't know if anyone cares. I don't think anyone does. I should have made myself a little pre-drink actually whilst I'm getting ready. Maybe I should go get one. What's the time? 10:50. Scrap that, I'm just gonna do my makeup and then I'll have one. At least then I'm ready. Oh god, I just poked myself in the eye. I always do something stupid. This is the best brush for bronzer. It's a Bare Minerals. It is best brush for bronzer and blusher. I use it for both. I'm so excited to go out today. I feel like I haven't been out in like properly in ages, which is probably a lie because I definitely have. I always forget my ID all the time, so I have to look. Card, ID and Tesco Club card just in case. Don't need that, don't need that. Lollipop wrapper, just need my phone. I don't really know what coat to wear. So this is the outfit. I've got to go because my friend is on her way to get me now. But I hope you all have a lovely day and I'll see you later.